Hi, in this video we will see how to use and how to create a pie chart. We have a sample of some budgets in a company and we want to see the percentage of each budget spent in our company. So pie chart used to be very clear when you have to see the percentage of a budget or another amount in a total expenses, let's say. So when you have a 100 percentage, you can split in a pie chart all your figures. Let's start to create a pie chart, and for this I'm going to select column A and B, budget and amount, and I'm going to insert, and on the mini icons I have the 2D pie. As you can see, I already have the graph, and here I have the legend that explain me all the budgets in our pie, but let's make it more readable, and I'm gonna insert, let's say, exactly the right click and add data labels, and here I have the values of our budget, but I wanna going to format and I want to change into the percentage, and now I will have the total of our spend but split into our budget. Then we can see that we can play with the colors of or with the pie explosion. You can insert some blank space, or you can bold your percentage to be more readable, and also you can move them to be very easy to read. Now probably it's more better to exclude the legend from the bottom and move it to the left, so we can play and adjust the volume of the size of our pie chart, and that's it. Now we have a clear image about our spend. Also we can exclude and delete our line for the border line, and that's it. This is the pie chart. I'm going to show you also another option to insert two series into a pie chart, and we're gonna see that the name is a donut chart. For example, if I will select all of these columns, so instead of amount now I have two columns, amount and number of cost centers, I'm gonna insert again the pie chart, and you'll see that it's nothing changed. So the number of cost center, it's not there. And for this I'm gonna use another pie chart, but it's a donut chart, and here we go. Donut chart, insert us a second series, keep the same legend for our budget, and here we can start play with our series. So format series, we can increase or decrease the whole size of a donut. So here we go, and also we can insert data labels to our series. As you can see, we have full-time equivalent or cost centers. Anyway, you can have people, so full-time equivalent, or you can have cost center or any other units. In our case we have some number of cost center for each budget, and here I'm gonna change again from value to percentage, and this time I want to decrease the size to be more readable, and I'm gonna insert a title. So we have budgets budget per cost center.